Hello and welcome to another episode of Inspector Gadget, where today this one is all about my most asked question, and as no doubt is about the Ring Doorbell, is how do you change the battery on your Ring Doorbell second generation? Now the simple answer is you can't. Now let me show you. On the Ring Doorbells, if you look here, you have the Ring Doorbell second generation, which is probably the one you've got now, which is why you're on this video. But next to it you also have the video doorbell wired, which looks like this, which of course it's completely different from that one. And then over here you have the battery video doorbell plus. Now the difference between these, well, that one and the first one there, the video doorbell second generation, is you just look on the side here, it has like a little sort of grip. Now that means that face cover can come off, and with that face cover coming off, it means you can change the batteries in it to a separate battery pack. Also you can change the face covers on as well, so you can have like an all black one, so the whole doorbell is all black, things like that. So only the ones with that little sort of groove on the side there, if you see what I mean, they're the ones that you just sort of grip off, and they're the ones that you can actually change the battery packs on. The ones without, you can't. It's literally just a case of taking off the wall, put it on charge with the USB. If you're not sure how to do that, I have done a video which I'll link below. But yeah, it is simple, straightforward. Now, the price difference between the two, it's only at 30 quid. On one hand, I'm thinking, is it worth spending the 30 quid extra just for that sort of option? But there is a few extra features I can show you now. But to be honest, if you haven't already bought the Ring Doorbell, the second generation, and you're thinking about buying it, it takes, I don't know, about 6 hours, 8 hours, something like that to recharge, and then it lasts, depending on your settings, can last months. Just quickly show you the features anyway between the two. So you got the battery wireless and the battery wireless with the plus. Okay, the main differences with the plus one is the picture quality. The second gen is just 1080p HD. This one is 1536 HD, so it is a higher quality pixel. Second gen has night vision. This one has colour night vision. It can both be used with solar power packs if you want to buy the solar power. It's basically these little plates you can put behind it on the wall. It just charges it up. That is an option for you. It's a changeable face plates. Plus one has a head to toe video screen, so the core a lot sort of longer. That's it, simple as that. So hopefully that's answered your question. If it has, please give me a thumbs up as a thank you. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.